This is my 2013 Honda Accord Coupe V6 EXL manual. Just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. Picked it up about a week ago. All right, let's get to it. All right, I just wanted to make a quick little tutorial for like you guys who just maybe got the car or who had it for a while and don't know how to do this. So you see how I have a different background on the top for my clock, and then this is red. For you guys that don't know, then maybe you do. I don't know, you just don't know how to do it. This is how you change the color of the background. So you go to your settings, and then you go system settings, and you're gonna wanna scroll all the way down, all the way until you see right here, background color. And then from here, you can go ahead, change the background color to whatever you want. I like it red, so I have it red. And then if you want to change, say how I have it up there, there's a different background. Just get yourself a USB, any USB. Go on your computer, get a picture that is 800 by 480, like pixels. And then right down here, sorry about that, plug it into this one right here. You can see right here. And then you're gonna go to settings again. You're gonna go to system settings, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down to right here. It says clock wallpaper type. Click that. Then you're gonna go to the right, and then I have some right here that I already have. But if you want to add a new one when like your USB's in, you go down. If you have this one, I don't know, you go down, and then it says right here, add new wallpaper. And then if you had your USB in, it would read it right there, and you would click it and it would go in. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it.